it down quickly.
Stop by number 65, Darrell Gray.
Defensively, Florida State has some big people up front. Linebackers are good. Taylor, 58, is the key man to watch. He's the #1 tackler. 58, Henry Taylor. The man off to the right, Fred Jones, is the second leading tackler. The two inside linebackers really key to Florida State defense. So after a gain of 3 yards on the play, Georgia looks to throw the ball. Williams gets it out, and Furman Archie comes down with a football and a hold-up. So a hit for a first down as he crosses the 30-yard line. 11-yard gain on the play. Defensively, the front line for Florida State. And left there, 45, Isaac Williams is a big play man. Stroud and Nichols, big down lineman. And those linebackers who are so strong. Henry Taylor, the guy to watch. At the line of action and a stop at the line of scrimmage. Fred Jones comes in and makes the hit on a freshman tailback, Cleveland Gary, who carried the ball for Georgia on first down and got nowhere. Trump, the secondary of FSU, has been a problem, as Bobby Bowden says. They'll give up a big play. We've kept a lot of people in the game.
Yeah, you're right. The Florida State Seminoles will stop you at the line of scrimmage, and then for some reason, lack of concentration, the big play.
A great day, temperature about 80, clear and sunny skies. Georgia goes to the run. And Cleveland Gary, the freshman tailback for Indiantown.